Hey everybody, it's Ben with SaunaMarketplace. I have to apologize because back in October, we filmed a CL5G build video that a lot of people have referenced as being super helpful. And it's come to light that we didn't really cover the door installation the way that we maybe should have. It happens when you're like filming and trying to build something at the same time. So we put together a supplemental video here to hopefully help clarify some of the hurdles that people are finding in the printed instructions that come with your sauna. If you have any questions at all about it, please leave it here in the comments, or you can reach out to us at SaunaMarketplace.com. For ease of instruction, we're going to be calling each part by the following names. This 2x2 frame we will call the stop. Even though it's not technically a doorstop, we'll call it that for practical purposes. The pre-installed frame around the door, which the hinges are attached to, we will call the jamb, and the opening in which the door is installed between the two panels we will call the frame. Be careful not to drive screws into the glass. Check that the length of each screw is appropriate for installing each piece. The first step of the door instructions is to install the 2x2 stop around the pre-assembled door. Now you're not going to screw this to the door jamb yet. You're just going to install the stop so that it fits snug around the door jamb. The 1x1 inch gap that this offset indicates is to allow for the door jamb to sit flush with the front of the frame. By not securing the square stop to the door jamb, it can be moved to a position that allows for the front of the door jamb to sit flush with the front of the door frame. Place the door from the inside. If the door protrudes at all beyond the glass front panels, move it back so that it's flush and slide the stop forward so that it's tight against the back of the frame. If the front isn't flush, you won't be able to install the finishing trim around the outside of the door. Step 3 is to secure the stop to the back of the frame. Pre-drill 5 30-second pilot holes through the frame and into the stop, keeping the holes slightly off-center towards the door jamb. This will ensure that the trim pieces in step 4 adequately cover the heads of the screws. Use H screws to secure the stop to the frame. Step 4 is to install the exterior finish trim. This finishing trim is designed to cover not only the gap between the door jamb and frame, but also the screws from step 3, which secure the stop to the back of the frame. Pre-drill 1/8 inch pilot holes to the trim and install using black J screws. The final step is to secure the inside of the door jamb to the stop using H screws through the pre-drilled countersunk holes. There will be black plugs included to cap the countersunk holes. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful for what seems to be the most difficult part of the instructions. SaunaLife makes a really great kit for a really great price. And if you buy it from SaunaMarketplace.com, you get direct access to us. We've had our hands on every single model that we sell, and we can help you through any issue that might arise. So check us out at SaunaMarketplace.com for the SaunaLife line or any of the other wonderful saunas that we sell. And follow this channel for more real-world insights from the experts at SaunaMarketplace.com.